What's up, mama? Are you about to start offering your little one solid food? If so, you're definitely gonna wanna check out this video because today I'm covering 3 pretty life-changing products in terms of making your life easier and your baby's life easier when it comes to transitioning to solid foods. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the Kids OT Help channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Nicole. I'm a mommy, I'm a pediatric occupational therapist, as well as a certified lactation counselor. And this channel is all about making motherhood easier on you by sharing the information and resources that I have access to. So if that sounds like something you're into, consider subscribing for weekly helpful tips. All right, so this video wraps up a series of videos that is dedicated to helping you get off to a great start when transitioning your little one to solid foods. So if you haven't checked out the other 3 videos in this series, I highly recommend it and I will link it up above. But in this particular video, I have 3 items that I absolutely must share with you because it's gonna save you time and some headaches and it's gonna make your baby's life easier. Wow, oh my gosh. Out of control. As I was saying, so these are 3 great products that are gonna make your life easier and your little one's life easier when starting solid foods. So without further ado, all right, mamas, so this is my ride or die. This right here, this is called a Crinkle Cutter. It'll change your life. It'll actually change your baby's life more than it'll change your life. I use this to chop veggies, particularly sweet potatoes, because they turn into cute little rounds. And when your baby is just starting solid foods, it might be harder for them to grasp those slippery textures. So this little crinkle cutter is a fun way to add some texture to your little one's foods. So that way it's easier for them to grip and bring it to their mouth. Everybody likes a happy baby. Everybody likes a happy mama. It's a win-win. I think it's only like $7 on Amazon. I will link it down below in the description box. It's held up very nicely over the years. And I'll continue to use it. All right, so the second product I'm actually kind of sad about because I didn't find out about this until way too late. And I actually saw it from a fellow therapist. And mine's still in the package, but I've seen it used and it's amazing. So I had to buy it for myself just because. This right here is a grape cutter. Now, if you watched my previous video, one of the no-no foods when starting baby-led weaning are whole grapes, obviously, because they're similarly shaped to your little one's airway. They're kind of hard to chew, they're slippery. It's just a really bad combination of things. So you'd have to at least quarter your grapes. But if you would like to save some time in quartering grapes, because it can take a while, I highly recommend this brand. It's OXO, and basically, I'm gonna open this for the first time on camera. No, I'm not, because you have to cut it. I don't want to do all that. So inside this little chamber, this little teal part is a cap. You remove it, you place the grape inside of this little chamber, and then all you have to do is take your fingers and move it up, and it quarters your grape. Genius! This again is also pretty cheap. I found it on Amazon. I will link it down below if you are interested in that as well. The final product I would recommend to my mamas, especially my mamas who are a little OCD about messes, is a waterproof mat. Now you can use a sheet, you could use a blanket, but you know, liquid falling on top of it, it's going to soak through. And I think it's pretty genius. They sell these floor mats now that are waterproof. You just kind of lie it out around or spread it out around your child's high chair, and it's gonna capture all of the dropped food, all of the spilled drinks, everything, so you can just roll it up and rinse it off when you're done and your floors stay clean. And this is something I've spent some time just sort of researching on Amazon in terms of some of the more quality products or the highly reviewed products. So I will link a couple of those in the description box for you as well. Those are my 3 ride or die products that I would highly recommend to any mama who is just starting out with solid foods because it's gonna be messy. And also your little one is working really hard to refine these new skills. So let's just make it as easy on them as possible. It's great when we can celebrate their successes and their wins. And so that's just gonna help them be more successful. I really hope you guys found this series helpful. If this is your first video in the series that you're watching, head on over and check out these other awesome videos that are in this series because there's super helpful tips in here that's gonna make transitioning a lot easier for you. Or if you're just someone who wants more guidance and support and you wanna know that you have all of the information laid out in front of you, check out my Foundations for Feeding course. I will link that in the description box below for you. What I love most about this particular course is that it comes with a community. There are other mommies from all over the world who are in this community and going through this process with you at the same time. So they're posting pictures of their little ones. They're telling you about what's worked for them, what they had difficulty with. So you have a community of people to sort of problem solve with. And of course, I'm in there to answer any questions that you might have and to guide you along in this process. So if that's something that sounds interesting to you, I would love to have you join. The information will be linked down below. If not, I will catch you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye.